crush it with your arms. Squeeze as hard as you can to crush the plastic jug. Can you do it? No, we cannot. We are going to try to use the power of air to crush our plastic jug. Does anyone know what we call air as it pushes on things? What is the name that we give it? Yes. Air pressure. We're going to use air pressure to crush our plastic jug. And in order to do that, we're going to change the temperature of the air inside. We are going to heat it up. Why don't you stand over here for everybody? In order to heat up those air molecules, we are going to use fire. And to make that fire, we're going to use a fuel. We're going to use a fuel called ethanol. So I've poured our ethanol in there. It's a flammable chemical, which means it can catch on fire. And we're going to pour it into our big plastic jug. I've poured in about 15 milliliters into the graduated cylinder to help me measure that chemical. We put it in there. I'm going to put a nice big rubber cork on top. Now what I want you to do is to take it like this and just kind of turn it in your hands. So you can bring it out there in the front so everyone can kind of see. So we have the 15 milliliters of ethanol in the plastic jug there. And as you turn it, it is going to change from a liquid into a gas. Does anyone know what that process is called? Liquid into a gas. What is it? Evaporation. Very good. So the liquid ethanol is going to evaporate. Then we're going to do the fun part of our experiment. We are going to remove the cork. We are going to light the ethanol on fire.
That's scary.
To the air molecules inside the plastic jug as they are warmed by the fire. What's going to happen? Who can show me? What's going to happen? They're going to expand and spread apart. We're going to hear that, and we're going to see that as they rush out of the top of our plastic jug. And then the fire is going to go out, and I'm going to put the cork back on.
He's up there, but
And this is the important part of our experiment here today. I want you to observe what happens after the fire goes out. Make sure your eyes are open and you're watching the whole way through our experiment. How do we look? Look ready to go? I think so. Excellent job there, sir. Why don't you go ahead and take your seat there? I can have those goggles back. Why don't you give him a big round of applause? Now, remember, we're trying to observe what happens after the fire goes out. Now, if you don't like loud noises, you might want to cover your ears. Sometimes it can be loud and sometimes it's quiet. It depends.
what?
Is everybody ready? We're going to go ahead and get our fire going. And on the count of 3, 1,